Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we will solve a second order ODE using fourth order Runge Kutta method. In the previous videos, we have already solved this problem using fourth order Taylor series method. And we have also discussed fourth order Runge Kutta method and how it works. Using the notation, we can transform the second order ODE into system of first order equations. For details, please watch the previous videos in this series. To implement this, we write a function that will take x and the vector y and returns the function f. The Runge Kutta function does not change much except that y has more than one value which we used in the previous video. And running the code for this example on an interval with x from 0 to 4, we can see that fourth order Runge Kutta solution is similar to the analytical solution for this ODE. And unlike Taylor series method, we did not need higher order derivatives. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.